Hey guys, it's Robin. So I'm here to show you a little mini album that I made. It's kind of like a mini tag journal type thing. And I'm going to make two of these out of one 6x6 paper pad. I'm going to do a tutorial right after this. But you can get two of these out of one 6x6 paper pad plus your basic heavyweight cardstock and just some scrap papers that you already have. But this is the front of it, and this is a little embellishment that I made, and then there's some tags. I don't think I need to hold this up. And this is the binding for it. Well, not binding, it's to cover the binding, and this is embossed and flocked, and I'll tell you all about that when we make the little tag journal. So this is the inside, and then these are all tags. They just tuck back in here. So what I did when I was cleaning my my craft room, I'm going to try to do videos of me completing projects that I had already started, because I had way more than what I needed. Or not that I needed, but had way more than what I realized. So I need to get those finished up. So here's the next page, and there's just a little bird paper clip right here, and then just a shipping tag. And these shipping tags, D. Cobb actually sent me these years ago. Most of them anyway. This is just a little embellishment that I made. I think you guys saw me making these embellishments in a previous video. So I pulled those out and putting them to use. So I'm just using what I already have. I didn't, just to finish things up. And it started out with me finding all these embellishments. So these are tags. And this little dress form right here was actually the Pink Paisley. I think that's what it's called. The Girls Paperia. And I had 3 packages of this for some reason. I have no idea why. But that's what that is, and we'll go into that when we're making the album. And then this flips to where you can put those little Instagram, you can put Instagram pictures in here, you can journal about stuff. It's just the perfect little size if you want to take it with you somewhere and like maybe journal a trip, or even your garden if you grow flowers or something, or just you can really do anything with it. So I'm just going to flip through real quick. There's tags here. This is just ephemera from that same package. So is this and this. And then I found this little random crocheted piece here, and I just put a flat back pearl on it. And just another tag that I've added some lace to. And then this came off my husband's when he buys his dress shirts. That's how they hold them down when they package them. So I kept it and stuck it on there. It actually holds this flap down, which was an embellishment that I made previously, and all that I did was added the key. So it flips up, and then there's tags in here as well. And this little piece of paper here, when I was talking about your scraps, this little piece of paper right here was on my desk from the Mother's Day cards that I shared with you all before. And then here's the next page, and the next one, the tag, and some ephemera that I made, and tags. And this is just that eyelash trim that I used in here, and it just flips up. These are 3 little tags in here. It's a little pocket. And then this flips up, and you have another tag tucked in there. So I was trying to use nothing but the 6x6 paper pad, and it's going to take every page of it, and so I'll show you though in a few minutes. So a little butterfly clip, and then this is a little library pocket, and it opens like this, tucks back in there, then opens this way, oops, this way, with another tag. Put the butterfly clip on here. And this page, and this is just some more tags and some ephemera. And then, well, and then right here, that's just a little metal piece that I put on there with glossy accents. The little bird is from the Girls Paperia, and then I just added a white leaf and then went over it with the tea dye distress ink to make like a little wing for it. And then tags. And I added some lace trim here. Same thing over here, just made that and turned it into like a little tuck spot. And then on the back, I just used a piece of my scraps from my pages and folded it back and added a little button brad and a little dangle middle piece. And then a little tag. Then on the back, I used, gosh, how did I get that black? Oh, I did my Wink of Stella on the black, just black cardstock to make it shiny. I don't know if you can see it, to make it shiny on the black. And then the clock piece was actually a piece of ephemera from the same package, but I went over it with glossy accents, let it dry overnight, and then popped it on there. And then this little piece, and I added some Wink of Stella down here on the leaves and up in the center of my little flower. And then I cut these little pieces out, or didn't cut them out, they were in the little ephemera pack. And so I just tucked those right down in there. So you can have little, you can write little notes or whatever you would like on there. And then this is just a pocket using part of my scraps and another shipping tag. And then there's the back. I haven't put my stamp on there yet, but that is the project that we're getting ready to make. So stick around, and it's coming up. Bye.